Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello friends, today's recipe is a popular Prasad and perfect Naivedyam recipe Panchakajjaya. This recipe is most popular in Karnataka and also prepared in many other places during festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi and Navaratri. Preparation is also very quick and simple, so without any delay, let's start the preparation. First, we'll see the ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. First, take poha 1 cup. You should use thin flakes poha for this. 1 cup jaggery, 1 cup grated coconut, nuts and raisins 1/4 cup. You can use desired nuts. Here I am using almonds 1 tablespoon, cashews 2 tablespoons, raisins 2 tablespoons, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon and ghee 3 teaspoons. First, heat the pan. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Let ghee melt on a medium flame. Once ghee melts, add cashews and raisins. Fry on a medium flame until they are lightly roasted. Once nuts and raisins are lightly roasted, transfer to the plate. Next, to the same pan, add another teaspoon ghee. To this, add 1 cup poha. Please remember, you should use only thin flakes poha for this. Stir well with the ghee. Fry on a low flame for 2 minutes till poha is crisp. After 2 minutes, check the poha. Once the poha is crisp, remove from the heat and transfer to the plate. Next, to the same pan, add another teaspoon ghee. Now add 1 cup grated coconut. Saute on a low flame for a minute till the raw smell goes. Make sure to leave some coconut chunks while grating. It really adds a very good taste to this recipe. Once coconut slightly changes the color, turn off the flame and transfer to the plate. Now heat another pan, add 1 cup jaggery. To this, add half cup water and melt jaggery on a low medium heat. Once jaggery melt, strain this jaggery syrup into another pan and cook on a low flame till jaggery reaches a string consistency. Keep stirring often to avoid jaggery burn at the bottom. Once jaggery syrup comes to a boil, add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Stir well with the jaggery syrup and cook until jaggery syrup turns thick. Once jaggery syrup reaches to a string consistency like this, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Allow it to cool down a little bit. After some time, you can see jaggery syrup turns thick. Once the syrup is warm, slowly add poha. Mix with the jaggery syrup. Keep adding poha slowly and mix well with the jaggery syrup. Next to this, add fried coconut, add fried nuts. Now mix and combine all the ingredients. Make sure jaggery syrup is warm before adding all the ingredients and mix well until everything coated well with the jaggery syrup. Our delicious Panchkadayi recipe is ready. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.